Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by updating and preparing. Open Chrome, go to Menu Help about Google Chrome, and install updates. Once done, make sure Windows 10 is current because outdated system components can break filters. Next, backup bookmarks and note installed extensions so you can restore if needed. Now, open Chrome settings and clear minimal cookies and cache to avoid stale behavior. This prevents temporary ads from persisting while we change extensions and site settings, so you start from a clean baseline. Next, you install a reliable extension. uBlock Origin is a strong choice by adding it from the Chrome Web Store and granting necessary permissions. Then open the extension dashboard and import or enable filter lists like Easy List and Easy Privacy. Add regional lists for local sites. Once enabled, configure blocking strength and element picker for stubborn ads. Make sure to whitelist sites you support and use the logo to identify what is being blocked. This stage handles complex filtering logic so ads stop loading, not just hiding. To finish, test a variety of sites and hard reload pages to confirm ads are blocked. Clear cache and cookies if results are inconsistent. If something breaks, disable other extensions one by one. Privacy or script managers often conflict with ad filters. Make sure site permissions aren't allowing intrusive ads. If problems persist, create a fresh Chrome profile or reset settings that resolves corrupted states. One key troubleshooting tip: use Chrome's incognito with only your ad blocker enabled to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.